found Parlux at the Sydney Hair Expo. Now, Parlux is pretty much found in every salon across Sydney, and last year it won the Australian Best Beauty Awards for 2011, and we have Monica just to let us know why hairdressers love Parlux so much.
Thank you, Catherine. It is a multi-award winning blow dryer. It's Italian made.
Okay.
Also something that's quite unique with it. It's made from recyclable material, so that's why it's eco-friendly. Absolutely, we love that. And it does come with an inbuilt silencer as well. So what you'll notice with Parlux, with other motors, with other blow dryers, is it does have a softer motor.
Okay, so it's not silent.
No, it's
but it just reduces the noise.
Yes.
I'm sure husbands and boyfriends around Australia would love that.
Absolutely. Also, you've got 2100 watts of power, so a lot of power, and you've got the funkiest colours, which is really popular.
As we can see here with the Kermy green hairdryer at the moment. Well, Monica, we hope you have a great show.
Thank you so much.
And catch up with you maybe next week.
We will. Thank you.